Good morning, everybody. Jared here. Welcome back to another fire alarm test. Today, early in the morning, it's like 9, 10 o'clock. uh, we'll be doing a fire alarm test with the 4903 and 9219. Made by Simplex, originally made by Faraday. Moving on. And, yeah, I'm kind of taking a break from school, so that's why you see all my school stuff out there. For those who have not been following me for quite some time, I've been building this. This is a Thompson controlled fire alarm panel. Right now, it's just a box. There's nothing in it. Well, actually, there is a few things in there. Nothing really amazing. um, for those who have been sticking around since I started the project, I have changed some things. There used to be a striping on here, and I've gotten rid of that because I did not like the appearance of it. And I have not glued this down yet. I was thinking about maybe using some sticky tack or whatever to put it down in case if I want to remove it and put it somewhere else on the panel. And in here, if you look inside, is the 4903 9303 SmartSync speaker strobe. And you can see all of the bottle caps that I've been using for this project. Yes, there are a ton of them. I think I destroyed the 9303. I'll tell you why. I went to rewire the 93 with a different auxiliary cord. However, this was in the way. So when I went to remove it from the prongs, I rewired it, but when I went to put it back on the phone, I went to put it back on this one right here, it didn't go back on properly. And when it went back on, it bent the prawn. And it kind of bent the prawn at an angle which I don't think this is able to be fixed. So, this 9303 really has been giving me some trouble. I don't know if I can actually remove the speaker entirely and maybe buy a Bluetooth speaker and just have the strobe wired up as a independent thing. I don't know. But if anyone could help me out with this thing, I could really use your help. Lesson learned. Do not buy a device that you're not familiar how to wire up. We'll put that back in there. There we go. So speaking of voice evac, or speaker strobe, I've been working on a simplex voice evac file. A few of my subscribers have received the file, and the reason why I kind of sent them out for those few fire alarm enthusiasts is because I wanted to kind of see if the messages would work on various platforms of devices. And half of them responded saying it worked, the other half saying it responded and they just don't have speaker strobes or they don't have the correct software to download those messages onto. Once I complete the file, I'll put it up so all of you can see if you can get the file. I don't know. I'm kind of slurring here. I'm tired. So let's start off with the test with the 9303. This is a 9219 here, not a 9303. Let me grab my ear protection. Alright, so we have my ear protection on, and let's get ready to rock and roll. Tap the switches on, and... What? Okay. What's the problem here? So in order for this thing to work, you have to have power coming from the wall, going up to the panel here, and going up to the alarm. Alright, now let's try it. This doesn't bother you, does it? Nah, you like the sound of the fire alarm, don't ya? Doesn't bother you, huh, Chloe? I think today we are gonna set off all the smoke detectors in the house. So let's start off with the first alert. If I can get to it. Alright, I think I have my finger on the test button, so... Oh, Chloe. Alright, this is something that I've been wanting to test for quite a while. It's this thing up here. I will be honest, I have not tested this thing, I want to say close to 2 years. I don't even know if this thing even works. And what's bad enough is that I don't have Solo A4. And if you don't know what that is, Solo A4 is a type of chemical with fake smoke you use to test smoke detectors with. I wonder if this thing... No. I'm too short. I can't reach it. I'm gonna try to pull it off the wall and see what the model of it was. And here's the other smoke detector. This thing does not work. If I hold the test button in, it doesn't work. I don't know if there's even batteries in it in here. This was right outside my room. I think before we got this, there used to be a Fire X. I'm not sure. And this kept going off. Okay. This kept going off, and it would not be quiet, so therefore we removed it. So, Let's go outside. You want to go outside? Very, very pleasant day out. Yeah, we gotta watch out for walks again. It seems like every time we go to get rid of them, they come back. Here's where the 9219 is. Oh, Chloe. You're so silly, aren't you? Alright, you want to lay down here? You can lay down here, okay? Alright, I'll let you lay down here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the 4903. And I think I'm gonna take my ear protection off. Oh boy, this is already gonna be loud. Ah, that was loud. That was very loud. This thing packs a punch. We'll reset it for the light switch. Alright, everybody. There you have it. Fire alarm test number 19. Hope you enjoy it, and I will see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.